Hey guys, everybody, Kari checking in. So today we're going to be taking a trip to Walmart. So we got some items on the list to go get. And we're going to a different Walmart. It's not the one by our house. And as you can see, we're on the highway here. Yeah, it's raining. If it won't rain, we could do something fun. Oh yeah, we are having a movie night.
What movie you want to see? What movie you want to watch? We got to get something that everybody can watch. What do you think about it?
I don't know.
We got to figure that thing out.
I don't know what we're going to watch today. So we're going to go on Walmart, get the items on our list. We got to think what movie we're going to watch. And whatever movie they have that we like, we're going to get. If they have a movie that we don't like, we're not going to get it. And so we have, wait, what are we getting again?
Huh?
Soap.
Oh, yeah.
Stuff.
Soap. We got to get
Grease for my hair.
Yeah, we'll get you we'll get us both a toothbrush and toothpaste. New toothbrush.
Toothbrush. A new one.
Yeah.
And a new toothpaste.
No, see, I don't get beaten toothpaste. I already got the, you used to got the whole thing of toothpaste. I'm going to get us both the toothbrush. Gotta get some soap.
We need to get clothes.
You dumb.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys, don't mind my hair. But if you can't drive, don't be out here in the rain. Seriously, it's too wet out here, and it be too wet and dangerous on these roads to be out driving. You need to look at, check your peripheral. Do you know what that is? Look it up. Be too wet out here to be playing. Somebody almost swerved, almost hit a boat. Now see, if she swerved on me, I gotta swerve back on her because she ain't gonna put me off the road. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna count on your swerve.
We're almost there. We're about to pull up. The Walmart that we're going to is on 15501 in Durham. Yeah. So sit back, get some popcorn, and enjoy the video. Guys, we're going to get some stuff. Guess what it is? Guys, we got some poppets right here. And found fireworks. You get these?
Well, that thing cost $50.
Oh, no.
Oh, 50 ball.
What about these?
Oh, no, those ain't nothing but them little sparkle things that you hold. Come on, let's see. Let's see what else we go get first. Then we'll get. Yeah, exactly. Fit it all. We'll fit it all. We'll fit it all. But you know what? We might finesse something. It's Walmart.
How much did that cost?
A little $30, $25. You gotta add tax on that thing though.
Still the same.
That's a morning. Lord. I need a nighttime store.
Get this.
Come on, we'll swing back through here. Someone go grab what we go grab first. That makes you remind me we'll swing back through here.
That might take too much space. First.
So we need
Home office. No.
I'm going that way.
That's down here.
We need.
It's on the other side.
I hope not. Well, the toothpaste stuff gonna be down here. Then we will go to electronics to get the to find the movie. Yeah.
So down here.
Yeah.
Tuck in.
Yeah, they go our team right there too. Duke.
Oh yeah. Zion went to the NBA.
Yeah, he went to the Pelicans.
Hell.
Yeah, in New Orleans. Matter of fact, he got a they got a game tonight too. Summer league basketball game tonight.
Daddy, guess what?
What?
One dude, like, you know Miss Jasmine, right? She showed us like her and Zion together.
Oh, she took a picture with Zion. You don't like big eye, do you?
Mouthwash? We gonna need mouthwash?
We might. I think we got some at the house. We got some mouthwash. What we gonna need is to get some more money because this stuff ain't cheap. Yeah.
What is it?
Dirt white car.
It's because I saw it over there and I can't
Oh,
remember.
okay, yeah.
It's up over here.
Yeah. This is it right here.
You actually brought me to the right place because my mom was trying to look for some mouthwash.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Alright, I'll subscribe.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put you on the next video. All right. So we got another subscriber just off of filming.
Got a fan. I already got me a toothbrush.
You got toothbrush already. That's the one you want. Okay, then I need to get me a toothbrush.
You want one?
Put it in reverse, Terry. Let me see.
Daddy.
Hold on. Let me see. Whiten smile. Let me see which one we go get.
Daddy, I got it.
Got the 360 now. Chill.
So you know his name's Terry.
Car.
So hey, Mr. Terry.
Let me see. I need the one with the floss tips. Get in between them teeth from. That ain't it. Them floss tips be hitting too.
You're gonna have to stick with it.
Right on ski.
Well, next. What we gonna need next? I'm trying to back away from it. Oh.
We gotta get some soap. We need that body wash.
Get the one that we always use.
Gotta get that bit dog. We need some. What else do we need? We need some.
What do we need? Oh yeah, movie.
Yeah. We need some baby wipes. Gotta keep them wipes on deck.
They got Huggies.
Yeah.
That's the mama.
Let's go to the kids section and see. We can't find the one for sensitivity.
We need to. Nah, we full of Q-tip.
Yes, sir.
Hand sanitizer.
Yeah, we need some of that right there. We can get two bottles of that stuff. No, we got some hand sanitizer at the house. So look, we going this way.
What we getting?
What else we get?
Movies, stuff.
Yep. All right.
What else?
Come on, let's cut through here.
Wipes.
Cut through here.
Yeah, let's go grab some wipes. And we need to grab wipes. This way, I think?
Yeah, bust a hard right.
Hold on, you said bust a hard
I said bust a hard right. We going this way, boy. Car, come on.
Ready?
Nah, see? That's what we call an inexperienced driver. Don't you never do nothing like that again. All right, now.
That's a good driver. Get him, Mr. Terry. Get that thing, Mr. Terry.
Come on now.
Mr. Terry. Come on, Mr. Terry. Get this race.
Corey.
Get this race now. Go, Terry, go.
Chill.
They got him.
Grab him. That's it right there. I ain't gonna lie. You need to keep a pack of these in your car. Keep a pack of these in your car. Might need them at work.
Yeah, we could get something from Carter.
If you go need them in, huh?
We could get something from Carter while we're here.
Yeah, we'll go get him a bunch of Pampers.
Alright, where the pamper section at?
I wanna go to the left. Don't do no hard left either, cause somebody coming.
It's hard. Straight.
No, car, stop doing that, cause if you bump into somebody, I'm getting the back of that neck. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, like I did you.
Nah. Look what you done did. Car, let's go.
Alright.
Let's go. Stop playing.
You go in front of me.
Car, come on. Oh man, ain't nobody messing with you, boy. What kind of movie you want to see?
I don't know, but we're gonna see what kind of movies they got.
Hold it in the middle, Car. And I missed it.
That's the head.
Put it in reverse there. All right, Car. I ain't playing with you now. Come on, come on. The movie down here. Car, I'm not playing with you.
Movie's right here, Daddy. I think I just saw Fast and Furious. John Wick from Fortnite. Oh, there it goes.
Trying to see what could be a good movie.
Purge, Daddy.
Man, they don't want to watch no Purge.
I do. Back to Daddy, you leave me. This is gonna leave the cart.
Ain't nobody go. They ain't gonna steal the car.
Oh, Daddy, but I found the movies.
Where move? Oh yeah.
The movies right here.
All right, come on.
And we need to show the movie pop the fireworks.
Car, I got this, brother.
Y'all, please tell me what the heck is this? Some trash.
Oh, them close all the movies
And
right
they
there.
got some door. Nah, nobody don't want to watch that.
Coming to America.
Oh, let me see that.
You never seen that, have you?
No.
That's a funny movie. We go get that. Oh, I ain't even out of basket. Car, you can't put the basket in the middle of the aisle, buddy.
Man, let me get a fan.
You go get some more. Ain't gonna be no fan.
What a movie, Dumbo.
Dumbo is down there on the end for $5.
I appreciate it, miss. I'm gonna go. Let's go look for it.
No, I don't want to. I'm just saying what a movie, Dumbo.
Oh, okay.
Because my friend.
Trying to see where we go get.
Oh, they got all Toy Story.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Baseball. Spider-Man. Yeah, this the one with Spider-Man died.
That's the one where he died.
Yeah, he died in this Spider-Man.
I know I ain't. No, I don't watch movies like that. Car, come on, buddy.
I don't want Dumbo.
I'm trying to see.
Oh yeah, Daddy, that creepy movie.
Ain't nobody trying to see
Oh
that.
yeah, the Clown Motel, y'all. Y'all need to watch this. I love these scary movies. Put this in the car.
I like right there.
What?
Narcos.
I feel like those.
At the bottom. Mm-hmm.
Family guy? No.
Look, Dragon Ball. Dragon Balls.
Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball. Yo, we gotta get this.
What?
It hit the ground.
Ain't nobody watching that. You ain't say cuz, did you? Bruh, look what you done did. We had a bet that you would go keep that on all night.
But we ain't bet money, so. Not
should've
going
bet.
to buy a movie. We're going to rent a movie off of Hulu. We don't know what movie it is, but as soon as we get back to the house, we're going to see it. Yeah, now we just need to go find what else we need to go find.
I don't know.
Wait, what's the last thing? Fireworks?
Yeah, we're gonna go back to the fireworks. I'm gonna walk over in and see how many Nerf guns they got in the store and that you got at the house.
Alright. Bet.
Car, slow down.
No, yeah. I don't know. I only use the front.
Hold on, car. I got to stay in front of you because you a little too wild with that bat.
Running out too much time.
What the ball is that?
Huh?
I wanted to throw one in there, but nah. Oh, the ball right here. The ball's over here. When you gonna be able to get? I'll
Don't,
hold the camera.
don't try this at home. You get one shot at this.
Oh no, the thing on top of it.
What's on top of it?
Lifetime.
So yeah.
Dude, I would love you to be a good boy.
I'm glad you saw that. Shooting like that, you wouldn't have made it in no way.
I'm just doing that on purpose.
Shoot it up there and let me see if you make it. Shoot this up there. Let me see if you make it.
And then?
That one's soft. Yeah. Nope.
This ball too soft.
I know. Huh. I don't want you to get her kicked out the stove before we buy what we need.
But I don't think
Huh.
this is gonna work.
Oh no. It's time to go.
What a cart.
Over here.
Yeah, I just left that ball over there.
Got some.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
One out to them people. What you got? One day.
The heck? No. I got this one. No, I don't. I think I do. Yes. This one, different color. This one.
You got that one right there.
This one. Go down and look.
You got a couple of these. These ain't Nerf guns, but we got plenty of them.
Yeah. I got this one. This one. I barely got any Nerf guns.
Yeah, we got about 3 of them.
Feel what? Yeah, dog.
D right here.
And you see that white and orange one?
Yeah.
I got one similar to that. But it just cold darks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all.
All right, come on, so we can get back to the house. I'm getting. But you can see they really ain't got no fireworks. Car just want to get something. But once I add all this money up in there, I ain't getting neither one of these movie cars. I might get it, but that, you don't even know what that is.
It's a clown hotel. I saw that on YouTube. I saw somebody stay there at a clown hotel.
Mm-mm.
Daddy, which one are we getting?
Not the $50 junk. I'm about trying to do that. You know, that is cheap.
That's 29.
Scanning me. All the time. We go see. Mind y'all, it's July 5th. It's the day after. We do got one big one at the house though. So we gonna try out for y'all.
We're gonna do these and we just got more than one now.
This guy here has got to be the worst cart driver in life.
Man, I know you can't be talking.
Boy,
worse.
I can ride that thing with my feet off of it.
Look,
With my feet
I
off
can
the
do that
ground.
too.
Can't do it like me though.
Yes, I can. Alright, show me how you do it.
Nah, I ain't go.
Yeah. Cause you can't do it.
Who you talking to?
This guy right here that's holding my camera. I'm blind.
Exactly. Yeah.
Ah,
I would.
you just hit me.
Well, stop playing then. Come on, let's get up out of here.
I need to use the bathroom.
Gotta use the bathroom.
I need to pee.
What you gotta do? Number one or number two? If anybody gonna be dropping the stinking load in here, it's gonna be me.
I really gotta do number one.
All right, I got you.
Daddy, and we need to do the
So tell them people what happened.
So, we went in there, go pay for the stuff. This guy right here left his card in the car. So we had to reverse back to the car for him to get his card. And my don't cost that much, but
And we back now.
how much is it?
So we end up car. We end up getting. Finally end up getting.
Tell them what happened to your car.
Car almost broke my chip. Car was going his way. The boy about broke my chip. Took my car sitting on it. That's why I call him Big Dog.
I'm not sitting on your, I was not sitting on your card.
Cheers.
Or should I drop this receipt?
I don't care about that receipt. I did good and finesse some fireworks.
Excuse the lightning, but as soon as you start the fireworks, y'all the lightning gonna be good, so. Come on. Let me go see which fireworks we're doing first. Saving the best for last.
That grand finale.
About to do the fireworks.
So we got some of the cheap fireworks from Walmart. We ain't make it to south of the border. But we got something for you for the end.
So y'all get ready. Sit back. This cheap stuff ain't gonna work.
Put it in reverse, Terry.
shoot up in there or something.
These ain't that. The box gonna shoot in the air. We gotta go to the stop for the border next year. They lasted a little minute. Hold up, put it in reverse.
Now Walmart, this that cheap stuff y'all got. Let's go back and get the $50 one.
Ain't none of them from Walmart come out the ground, but
Should have grabbed that $50 one. That's what I tell you.
none of them Walmart come out the ground. Tell
Shoulda
them they
listened
wanna
to
see
me.
real stuff. Free ass fireworks. That was free.
Oh yeah, these free fireworks, they ain't nothing. So when you go to Walmart, see some cheap fireworks, but if you see them $50 ones, grab them. The other ones for like $20 or $30, don't go grab them. Cause this that cheap stuff, they don't even go off the ground. They don't even go high enough. So y'all gonna be like, ooh, I want this. But don't grab it. It's about to go down.
Tell them it's about to go down out there.
After this one, gonna get to the big one.
You gonna get down to business.
Yep.
Tell them save the best for last.
Anything y'all got that y'all wanna save? Well, if y'all wanna do that one first, save it for last.
There you go. There you go.
Save the best for last. Y'all, I don't know what this one's gonna do, but might wanna run.
That ain't gonna do it. Let me see that load. Go grab in that building. Now for this business, I want to back up just a little bit. So what it's gonna do is, see, I want to get the whole exterior. I'm a Scorpio, so it's a Scorpion. Okay. So I know what it's about to do. So,
It's gonna go down
let me
in
see.
here.
Let me see what you say.
It's gonna go down
read it.
tonight.
500 milligrams. See, that did that backwards. 500 milligrams. Every weight. Warning. Shoot flame balls. Carefully read. See, we ain't got time for that read. We ain't got time for that. Where that thing is. There you go. There you go.
Now to open this stuff,
Yeah, we about
cause
to
you just passed it.
see what's going on up in this thing. Y'all ready?
Get ready now.
Tell them.
It's gonna go down. Sit back, grab y'all some snacks or something.
Tell them.
23 times.
Tell them. Ain't time to relax.
It's time to get back. You take that one down the street a little bit. Don't bring it over here.
Oh yeah, that one going boom.
Oh, whoa.
Hey guys, it's Dirt My Car signing in. Today I'm going to be showing you 25 of my Nerf guns that's in my Nerf collection. So I have some, the last one that I got was this one. This is the last one I got. favorite Nerf guns are. I have like 11, but I'm on going to choose some. This one. This is my favorite. That's my first favorite. This is my second favorite.
Tell us what the DBC stands for.
DBC stands for Dirt Bike Car.
Alrighty.
And the third one, this one, fourth, this one, fifth, this one, the sixth, this one, the seventh, the eighth, this one, the ninth, this one, the 10th, this one, and the 11th. That's kind of like this. Yeah, this one. Guys, we're going to end the video off right here. So see you next time and subscribe.